Hi, welcome to Patong, Phuket, Thailand. It's Monday, 3:30 p.m. Beautiful day, no rain today. So we're ready to walk around the city Patong and Patong Beach. Over there, Karon, Kata Beach. This side is Patong Tower. This side, and they have the Paradise Beach, Tri Trunk, and Marlin, and Freedom Beach on that side, and that's Royal Paradise. And that's Anaman Beach Resort, Kali Beach over there, and Kamala Beach over there. And this is City Patong. So we're ready to walk around. This is the apartment we rent for the whole month, 12,000 baht. So we have another week to go. Really nice place. They do have 8,000 and 10,000 room also for the month. So really nice place. I gotta go do my regular weekly laundry. So the laundry is right here. Go next door, do the laundry. This side is 10,000 baht, and this side is 8,000 baht. Is the power meter. You can pay for the power and the water. 8,000 baht for, 8 baht for unit power and 20 baht for unit water. So these are all the 8,000 baht rooms right here. That's more apartments here and hotels on the other side, and then they have Nanai Road over there. Parking. So there's the Nanai Road right here, and then this is Banjan Road on the other side, and then this side is Sai Nam Nhật Road on this side. We got a laundromat over there, Laundry Express. So they have Grab food, Food Panda, everything here for delivery, stuff like that. So really convenient in Thailand, Phuket. There are hotels all along here and guest house, everything here. You see the laundromat right here, Laundry Express. They have a lot of laundromat, coin laundry here, so really cool place. Oh, the cup to do laundry. So first you have to get the money from the machine here. Put 100 baht in. I think it's 60 baht for wash, and then over there is 60 baht or 50 baht for dry. So it's a coin change right here. one's ready for business. And you gotta buy the laundry, right? Buy the soap. Soap. One. 5 baht each. Two. 5 baht each. Okay, good to go. So we come here, pick up the cycles. They have 27, they got 15, and they have 10 and a half. So whatever size you fit you best. So maybe you want, which one do you want? You want this or that? You want this one? You want this one?
Yes.
Okay, I take this one. So this one is 15 kilogram. So it's 60 baht. 10 and a half is 50 baht. So let's do the wash. Really fun. Thailand, everything is available, so really convenient. All right, here we go. It's only 10 baht different, but you got extra 5 kilograms, so really good. If you have time, do this cheaper and cleaner. You can drop at the service laundry, but I take a day like that, so charge you 50 baht or 100 baht per kilo. So here's only 60 baht for 15 kilos, so save your money. I do usually 2 times a week, but I'm lazy, so I do 1 a week. Okay, so we're good to go with this one. And we just put the soap in. Close the door. We got the soap, we got the scissors, everything. There you go. Thailand, number 1 Thailand. Everything's good. We got everything in Thailand. Cheap and good quality. Okay, now we put the soap in there. Everything Thailand, number 1. Retirement, tourists, everything. So we got all the soap ready. So we could put the coins in. We need 60 baht. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6. Water usually cold, you can get hot, and then just push the button. 25 minutes wash. So we just wait about 25 minutes. You can walk around, go get some food or whatever, and we're coming back. So this side is the dryer. That's price 50 baht for 24 minutes, and then the big one. Then this is the wash, 60 baht, 70 baht, 80 baht, and 110 baht. Depends how big your load. So, and now here is the Nanai road. So this is Nanai road right here. Down there is Sai Nam Yen road, and this is the Lanzan road over there. And they have really good noodle house next door also. And then on the other side over there is 7-Eleven over there. So really cool. So welcome to the Laundry Express.